All right, we got some gas. Gravel everywhere. Okay, we're past that now. All right, folks. We have gas, which means I need to be naughty and do this while I'm riding. There we go. All right, that's important. We don't have a gas gauge. Oh, they got them high score setters. 41. It's 50. There you go. That's the 20%. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Magna Mole here. Michael Magna. We're out for a little ride. We're testing some new audio stuff. So if you're seeing this, welcome back. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We are just riding on kind of one of the normal little routes I go on. Even maybe a little truncated just because I'm hungry and want to go eat here soon. So, I've had this idea, kind of gonna name it, instead of calling things like a vlog, I hate that. I'm not gonna sit here and show you me getting coffee and stuff. That's not the point. It's almost like a one-man podcast is almost what I'm thinking here. So, if you're seeing the title down below, The Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Motorcycling, we're going to call this episode 0, as long as everything works out the way I want to in this test session. And those are going to be kind of a more, not like, oh, I'm rebuilding the forks kind of video. It's not going to be on a specific kind of part or a specific process. Oh, that one was a little bumpier than I remember. It's gonna be more ranting, raving, me just talking about shit, complaining about the truck that's behind me, and just in general, a little more open-ended videos. So sometimes I'll have like a topic that I want to talk about. Sometimes I'll you know, maybe I'll be in the garage, maybe I'll just be out on a ride, maybe I'll be commuting to work. Been doing that a lot lately. We put a good amount of miles on the Magna in recent past few weeks, so that's what these videos are going to be. So, yeah, and I have been commuting on the Magna now, like this year, pretty good amount, pretty much every day that looks pretty much like it's going to be a nice day to ride. So, and that equates to about 120 miles once I go through that every day. So, we're getting a good riding time in. Last month and a half has been pretty busy, ups and downs in life in general, so I haven't been making a lot of videos, but we got a couple things on the way. We have our little Suzuki GS650 that we're going to be putting back together here. Ooh. That was a new little crack. I don't remember those. Alright. We look good. Let's get a little... good. Found a bolt missing from the airbox, so replaced that. So we might have to set the idle. She didn't seem to be running lean or anything, but such as 40-year-old bike things, which kind of leads me into, you know, a topic I've been thinking about lately, just commuting on bikes and being more comfortable, like just riding in general. So hope you can hear me right now, but yeah, so been commuting on the motorcycle. You know, it's a 1983 Honda Magna V45. If you don't know, if you're first time being on the channel, that's what this is. That's what I'm riding right now. V4 muscle cruiser, power cruiser. I don't know what they're supposed to be called. From the 80s. And I mean, it's been an absolute blast. I think a big thing this year that I've been more comfortable just hopping on the bike and going places, stopping places. Like, stop being so anxious about like what if something could happen. I haven't gone on a long road trip yet with the bike, but hoping to do that sometime in the near future. So kind of gaining some confidence there. Learning more just about, like, you know, general everyday riding instead of the weekend warrior type stuff like you're going, like I'm doing right now. I'd say this is more of a weekend warrior type of a ride. Just going out back roads, cruising around, not really putting myself into awkward situations, avoiding traffic, those kind of things. I don't go ride through the middle of town normally on the weekends. And you know, not that you, and I don't know if you should, like, if you're just going out for a fun ride, like, why would you put yourself in trouble like that? So, yeah, we'll take a right up here. Oh, this switch has been on the fritz lately. I think I need to get some new dielectric grease and grease it up again. I think she's dry. And we're clear, so we're gonna go. I think just if you're watching this and you have a little apprehension about what you, how often you ride, where you ride, things like that, I guess all I'm really trying to say is, like, don't be too apprehensive about it. Just get out there and do it. Anxiety is something I deal with a lot in life, have for a while. So I didn't know how hard it can be sometimes to push back those intrusive thoughts, but a lot of times, like, if I'm questioning riding in the morning, look outside, sometimes the clouds are gray and I go, I'm just getting in the car. You know, sometimes though, you know, I definitely am like, you know what, just jump on the bike, just go. Like, what's the worst that's gonna happen? You're gonna get a little wet. Like, that's pretty much the only thing that will happen. You know, you gotta be wary of a few other things when it's wet out, things like that when riding, but in general, get out there and ride, jump on your 40-year-old machine, and just put some miles on it. They were made to be ridden, so, Oldsmobile. Give them some exercise. I mean, I've put almost 1,000 miles on this thing in the last month, easy, if not a little more, so they can do it. Just take care of them, make sure they have oil, keep up with the maintenance, and they'll keep on singing. So I'm probably not going to talk for too much longer in this video. I know the roads I'm on right now aren't very interesting either, so hopefully everything will keep recording for a little bit as I maybe find a couple nice little spots. Sorry for the wind noise. Gotta fix my glasses while I roll up to this stop sign. We're gonna actually stop here. Just double check. if you like this type of video, if you think it's a good idea, if you think the quality is a lot better than it was before, you know, you just like me riding around on an old motorcycle and you like watching my videos of it, hey, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I got links for, you know, some different parts that I have for the bike. A few people have been asking about specific stuff, like the little windshield I have and turn signals, stuff like that. Links down below, Amazon affiliate link, so if you do buy something, I get like a tiny little kickback for it, and that just helps me as I try to grow the channel. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna keep this rolling, so if you're listening to this part of the video, I'm probably not gonna talk too much more. Wrench safe, ride hard, something like that. Ride hard, wrench safe, wrench hard, ride safe. I don't know. You guys have a wonderful day. Love you. Tell everyone that you know you love them. We'll talk to you later. Out.